Okay, hello friends. This is the second video on the topic isomerism, inorganic chemistry paper second. So in last lecture I have explained the classification of isomerism. So generally there are two types of isomerisms are there. What is isomers? Having same structural formula but different. The arrangement of groups or ions around the central metal atom or ion is isomer, and that phenomenon is called as isomerism. So there are types of isomerism. Two types of isomerisms are commonly observed. One is in inorganic chemistry or in coordination chemistry. One is the structural isomerism, and second one will be the stereoisomerism. In structural isomerism, 7 types are there. Already in my video I have explained it with the help of example: ionization, hydrate, ligand, linkage, then coordination position, polymerization. And in stereoisomerism, 2 types are there. One is geometrical isomerism for 4 coordinated complexes, geometrical isomerism for 6 coordinated complexes, and again optical isomerism in 4 and 6 coordinated complexes. So today in this video I can explain the stereoisomerism. Actually, when you consider the stereoisomerism, so stereoisomerism can be defined as when 2 isomers, generally in the stereoisomer, the 2 isomers have the same structure but differ in their relative position in the space taken up by the atoms or ions or the molecules. When the 2 isomers have same structure but differ in the relative position in the space taken up by atom or groups of the atom, then it is called as stereoisomerism, and stereoisomer, and phenomenon is called as stereoisomerism. So actually if we consider geometrical isomerism, this isomerism is shown by the complexes in which either the same ligand occupy adjacent position to each other or opposite position to each other. Then depending upon that, the 2 types of geometries are possible. One is cis geometry, another will be the trans geometry. Cis geometry or another will be the trans geometry. Actually coordination number 2, 3 and 4, tetrahedral 2 and 3 are not so much important. And again for tetrahedral complexes, generally geometrical isomerism is rarely observed. Means coordination number 2, coordination number 3, coordination number 4 having tetrahedral structure, generally cis-trans isomerisms are not observed, and therefore I explain the geometrical isomerism in square planar complex with coordination number 4. Mostly it exhibits cis-trans or 1,2 and 1,4 isomerism. So what is 1,2, what is 1,4, I can explain later on. Now there are a series of complexes are there. Near about 6 square planar complexes are there. I have listed on the blackboard in general form. First complex is MA4 or MA3B or MAB3 type of square planar complex. Second will be MA2 or X2. Third will be MA2XY. Fourth will be MABCD. Fifth will be MAB twice, and sixth will be M2A2X4 type of complexes are there. So it can exhibit the geometrical isomerism or cis and trans isomer. So that point I can explain. Now when you consider, so it is the first point, geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. If we consider the square planar complexes of the type MA4 or MA3B or MAB3. So this type of complexes not show cis and trans isomer because only one geometry is possible. So it not exhibit the geometrical isomerism or cis trans isomerism. Then if we consider MA2X2. So second example is MA2X2 type of complex. So it can exhibit cis trans isomer. So I can draw the structure. So it is a M in there. Again M is there. So here XX is there. So similar groups are on the same side. So it is a cis isomer. Only 1, 2 is also called. And if we consider in opposite direction, it is a trans isomer. It is 1, 3 isomer is there. So it is a structure. A group, A ligand are on the same side. So it is a cis isomer. A ligand are exactly opposite side. So it is a trans isomer. And the best example of this particular complex is PT Na3 2 times Cl, neutral complex of platinum second, can exhibit the cis and trans isomer. So it is MA2X2. If we consider third type of general complex, MA2XY. So MA2XY is there. So here Y is there. Here Y is there. So again it also shows cis trans isomer. An example we can cis or 1, 2, trans or 1, 3. Example we can consider that is a bromochlorodiamine platinum second complex. So here all A stands for neutral ligand and B stands for the negative ligand. A stands for neutral ligand like ammonia and negative ligand like chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are the neutral ligands, negative ligand. So it is a third example. It also shows cis trans isomer. Then if we consider the fourth type of square planar complex, fourth type of square planar complex, that is a MABCD. All 4 ligands are different. I consider example platinum, then NH3, pyridine, chlorine and bromine. So it is A, it is B, it is C and it is D. It shows 3 geometrical isomers. It shows 3 geometrical isomers. So I can draw their structures. So here NH3, pyridine, chlorine and bromine. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again NH3, pyridine, then bromine and the chlorine. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here it is a 1, 4, 1, 4. It is NH3. Here bromine is there, 2 pyridine and 3 chlorine. So it is a first structure, it is second structure, it is third structure. So all these 3 are the geometrical isomers for the complex of the type MABCD. So you have to remember it because question is asked. So for that purpose, Na3 1 period into chlorine 3 bromine 4. So it is middle complex 1, 2, 3, 4. Have decided number, then you place for first isomer 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 4, 2, 3 type of the isomers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first structure will be 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay. So you remember it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Why to specify 1? It is a 2, it is 3, it is 4. Here 1, 2, 4, 3. And here 1, 4. It is a 2, 3. If you remember this number, so you can write the 3 structures. Then fifth type of complex. Fifth type of complex will be MAB3. Is the fifth structure MAB3 type of complex. AB2 type of complex, where AB is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Example, glycine. So NH2, CH2, then C double bond O, O minus. The example will be platinum glycine 2. You can draw the structure. So it is like this. It is M is there. A, B. So it becomes cis isomer. A group are on same side. You can also draw the trans isomer for it. So M, it is A, it is A, it is B, it is B. So it is A are opposite side. It's a trans isomer. For this particular example, the platinum, it is a NH2, CH2, C double bond O. Again NH2, CH2, C double bond O. Again it is O. So it is a cis isomer and a trans isomer. So we can write down the like this. So it is a, so this may be shown like this also. NO on curvature. GLY means glycine ligand. So these are the 6 type of structures that are possible for the 4 coordinated compound. There is one more compound is there. So I think ABB is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Example NH2, CH2, C double bond O minus. It can be shown on curve NO and GLY. These are the structure of bis-glycinato platinum second. Then 6 type of structure will be, so this complex 6 M2A2 X4, M2A2 X4. So platinum, then here X, here XX, here A. And cis isomer. And if we consider trans isomer, here X, here A is there. So like this we can draw its cis and trans isomer structure. Now for this in an example, PT, ClSO, PET 3 times and whole group is repeated 2 times. So it is a platinum, chlorine, it is chlorine, PET 3 times, PET 3 times. So it is a cis isomer, and in its trans isomer, platinum, chlorine. So it is a PET 3 times chlorine, PET 3 times. So it is a trans isomer. So in this way 6 types of general compounds are there which have actually cis and the trans isomers are the possible. So in next lecture I can explain video the geometrical isomerisms of octahedral complexes, then optical isomerism in square planar and tetrahedral complexes and octahedral complexes. So okay, thank you.